today we will make a video. Today we will make a Gmail account. I will start from zero. I will build my YouTube channel, all the social media from zero. So what we need first is the first step for everything you will do on the internet. You need an email. So today we will do a Gmail account. Okay, so you just open your Google. Okay, www.google.com. You click here. Okay, then it's going to open Google, and then on this space here you will write Gmail new account. Then the first one here you can click. Then you can create an account. You go down, create an account. So let's create an account. Now is a problem. Here, down, create account. Here is written for my personal use, for my child, for work. I want for my personal use. So first name, let's put N. Last name, optional, no need. So let's put you put your date of birth, day 1, and 1969. Let's put gender female. So here, okay, Google already give you some ready options you can use. If you like to use these ones, you can use, or otherwise you just create your own Gmail address. I won't create my own. So now you need to keep trying until it gives you a green message that is available, because sometimes you try, and most of the names are already taken. So let me try. N dot let me check. N dot 2025. I'm sure it's taken. Let me try. Oh, see, this username is taken. Try another. So N underline 2025 is already taken. Sorry, only letters, A to Z, numbers. Okay, computer dialog. So N, so let me put dot lps gmail.com. And dot 2025. Wow. Okay. So let me take. I should take screenshot. Then okay. Password. This is the problem. Let me put another number, because before was giving a message that was taken already. So let me put another number, just a second. Let me take the code. You receive, when you put your mobile number, you receive a code that you need to put. 65819. Okay, next. Recover email address. Let me put okay, next. Okay, my shift command for next. I just took screenshot for do not forget my email. Agree. Okay, I create my account. Now I can go here to Gmail. If you see this 9 dots here, you just press okay, and you can use all of this one in that account you just created. You want your email. Let's see our email, our Gmail account now. See, this is your, now every time you use your email, you are going to put that address that we just created. Very, very simple. Okay, later on another video I will show you how to send email to someone. Okay, because I know there is a lot of people who doesn't know how to send an email. This will be a topic for the next video. Okay, now I can sign out or just sign in. I will leave like this. I can sign out. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video today. And don't forget to like, subscribe to help my channel to grow. And see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good and blessed day.